going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a spider web in a heart shape. Okay, it's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. So let's get started, okay? I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to actually start with a heart shape first, by the way. This is going to be really short, so stick around to the end. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to curve right here for the heart. Well, yeah, I'm going to curve right here for the top of that heart shape. And I'm going to keep it moving down to the bottom, right? For the most part, this is starting off as a regular heart, right? I think it's better to contain it that way first, to be honest. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to curve around the other side. Ooh, I'm so excited about Halloween. I am so excited about Halloween. If you are to hit that like, absolutely hit that like button if you're excited. I'm super, super excited. Obviously, this whole channel is dedicated to it, so I'm very, very much into it. Right on. Okay, now we have the heart shape, right? We capped it off. Hold on, let me fix this line over here. It's kind of... Sometimes I pull a line here with a marker, and it gets a little bit like, I don't know, dry or something. So I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to pull a line straight down now. Cool. And by the way, if you have an issue with like straight lines like that, if your hand is shaky or something like that, go take my beginner lesson on sketchingeasy.com. Go to sketchingeasy.com and click the dragon. It's going to give you basically a foundation, right, on how to draw anything you want, meaning it's going to help your line control. That's free. Like free meaning no sign up, nothing. Go over there, sketchingeasy.com. It's just embedded videos, and do the exercises. You can even send them to me, by the way, and I will reply to them. I will reply and kind of let you know what I think. Gonna go over here, cross now. All right, and so now we have that center shape, that center point right there, the middle. All right, all we did was a T. I'm gonna start there and pull outward. There you go. Gonna go right here, pull outward that way. See, lines like that, if that's difficult for you. If that's okay, first off, if you can't make a line like that, turn the paper, you know, because your hand will naturally, like for example, I'm right-handed. My hand is naturally doing this. See how easy that is? I'm just moving at the elbow. If you need to, literally turn the whole paper and to make that curve. That's an easy way to do it, I would say. I'm just doing it this way because, you know, for demonstration purposes. You know, I would do this. I mean, I guess I could kind of do that anyway. So I'll go over here. That way. That way. Cool, cool, cool. So I think that might be enough as far as the web part, like those intersection areas. Now we need to make the actual web. So I'm gonna start over here, kind of arbitrarily, and I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve in. Right. Go over here. Curve in. Over here now. Trying to make it as, you know, close to a circle as I can, right? As like a circular shape. Curve over here. Curve over here. Curve over here. Curve over here. All right, that's one, right? We got to do another one. So I'm going to go over here, same thing. 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 Right on. Gonna go do another one, right? This is kind of an overall web, so we are kind of putting another layer onto this. By the way, if you love learning how to draw like Halloween stuff, I'm going to be posting Halloween stuff here the entire Halloween season, so hit the subscribe, okay? The cool part is when you subscribe for this season, you're going to subscribe for the next year as well, because, right, I'm going to not post as much through the year, so, you know, you won't be getting as many updates, let's just say, like in November and stuff like that, but, you know, when Halloween comes back next year, you're going to start seeing kind of an influx of Halloween tutorials on your feed because you subscribed already next year. So it's kind of cool. It's a really great system. I see no downside into it. but you got to click subscribe and click that bell notification. Curve in, over here, curve in, over here, curve in, over here. And really this is very, in my opinion, really therapeutic. I really feel good doing this. I don't know what it is. This is and honestly, I'll be honest, I never really felt therapeutic drawing. I just kind of felt like, cool, I'm doing something, it's fun, it's just something I like to do, but I never felt like therapeutic doing it. I don't know if that makes sense. Now I'm going to go right here for the last one, and the last one I'm going to make it right there at the edge. Yeah, just going to fill it in. Going to go over here. I could throw it in here. I guess I will. I could have done without that one, honestly, but I'm going to put it in here. Right here. So what can you use this for? I don't know. You can use this for Halloween cards. You can draw this on a whiteboard, maybe. I mean, you can draw this obviously just for yourself, of course. But there's a lot of things you can kind of do with this, right? Like, what can you do with the designs of Halloween? Lots of stuff, you know, just for your own personal art, you know, purposes. And that's it. If you want to add anything extra, like bonus round, you can maybe add like a spider. So, for example, we draw like a dot over here somewhere. Pick a random point, draw a dot. Draw a little, you know, little legs coming out. Let's pick another point over here, just randomly. Draw a little thin points. And by the way, I like using this marker, but be careful. It does kind of have a little bit of smell to it. So you want to do it outside or like near a window at least, or near a fan. Something that gets the smell out of your way really quick, because it's not good to inhale this stuff, okay? But I just do it because it's such a good marker, honestly. It was so much better than the other markers, so. Circle here. And actually, they stopped producing this old marker I used to use on the channel. I can't remember what it was called, but there's an old you'll see in some of the older videos I use a different marker, like a totally different marker. Not the Crayola one, but before that. I used to use that other marker all the time, and they just stopped producing it. So I was like, dang. So I'm kind of forced to use a Sharpie. Plus, Sharpies are kind of synonymous, right? They're kind of known everywhere. Let's put one in the side here, near the middle. They're all kind of too even around there. Let's put one over here. Yeah. Right on. Anyways, if you really want, you can maybe draw, I don't know, I guess you could draw like a web out here, but not really. I think that's perfect, honestly. Thank you so much. I appreciate you following. Don't forget to hit me up. I'm going to be here all the time, and I'm going to say hi to everybody. So say hi to me in the comments section if you haven't done anything yet. See you later, okay?